In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete incognito mode history on the Chrome web browser on your Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Even though incognito mode doesn't save your browsing history, Chrome still saves the cache of sites even in the incognito mode. And all we have to do in order to clear that cache is open up Chrome. If you are currently at incognito mode, tap right here and then tap at that button to turn incognito off. Then open up new tab and then at the address bar enter Chrome, then colon / after that enter net, and it will show you the option we are looking for. It is called net-internals. We need to tap on it. After that, we'll be taken to the screen that looks like that, where at the left side we need to tap at DNS first. And then all we have to do here is just tap at clear host cache, just at that button. It seems like nothing has happened, but it does. And then once we tap at this button, we can just go out of our web browser because the cache is already cleared. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.